Good morning to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today I am going to discuss about sea foam. Brief overview, declaration in sea foam, type of sea foam, contents of sea foam, CST rates, sea foam pre-preparations, procedure in case of loss of sea foam, benefit of sea foam, declaration in sea foam, section 8, all the manufacturer and traders can avail the facility of interstate purchase or sale of goods at concessional rates of CST. The dealers should be registered in central sale tax and goods are covered in the registered certificate of the dealer for benefit of concessional rates of CST. The purchasers has to furnish to the sellers declarations in sea foam in triplicate, counter foil part A, duplicate part B, original part C, original part to be furnished by the purchasing dealers to the selling dealers who shall furnish it to the assessing authority when required it to do so. Duplicate part to be furnished by the purchasing dealer to the selling dealers who shall retain it in his records. Counterfoil part to be retained by the purchasing dealer who shall produce it before the assigning authority when required by to do so. Contents of sea foam under CST Act. The blank sea foam has to be obtained by purchasing dealers from sale tax authority in the state in which goods are delivered, which is usually the price were purchased, dealer is registered. The sea form contains a particular like a purchasing dealer's sale tax registration number is its validity and detail of goods obtained or used in manufacturing process or used in power generations or used in mining for use in packaging, whether dealer is registered in the state in which goods are delivered, name and address of the seller with the name of state. The certificate has to be declared to the true to his belief rate to be signed by the authority signatures of the purchasing dealer. The form bears sales of the sale tax authority issuing the form. CST rates. CST has been reduced from 4% to 3%. CST has reduced from 3 to 2%, and it is proposed to reduce CST rates by 1% every year and make it nil by 1.4 2010. Such as reductions can be made by central government by issue of information under provisions to section 8. So thank you to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt or query, please text me at dis@rpiit.com.